set 1.5. The next question, question number 4, which is also most important question. Now here in this question, the denominator of fraction is 4 more than twice the numerator. Twice the numerator. The denominator becomes 12 times. This is the 12 times the numerator. If both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, म्हणजे 6 ने कमी केले, then find the fraction. Now student, here we take its numerator as one variable and denominator as one variable. Then we have to also write the original fractions also. Now here its solution. Let the numerator be numerator of fraction be x and its denominator be y. Therefore the original fraction is equals to numerator upon denominator. Okay, suppose that this is the equation first. Original fraction is x upon y. We have to find out here the fraction. Now, from the first condition, observe carefully. From first condition. Now the condition is that the denominator of the fraction is 4 more than twice its numerator. म्हणजेच numerator ची twice करावं लागेल आणि ती 4 ने काही जास्त आहे कोणापेक्षा its denominator पेक्षा. म्हणजेच आपल्याला फर्स्ट कंडिशन मिळणार आहे y is equals to denominator of the fraction is equals to twice the numerator म्हणजेच twice the numerator plus 4 म्हणजेच plus 4. This is our equation number first. Now I have to transpose this 2x to this another side. We get that minus 2x plus this y is equals to 4. Then changing the sign, this become 2x minus y is equals to minus 4. This is equation number first. Sorry, here is equation first. We take this equation number as a 2, not a first. Now, then we look the next condition. If both the numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, म्हणजे दोन्ही पण न्यूमरेटर पण आणि डिनॉमिनेटर पण 6 ने कमी केला. माझे आपण 6 ने जर कमी केला तर न्यूमरेटरची व्हॅल्यू आणि डिनॉमिनेटरची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे ती आधी मानून घेऊया. सपोज फ्रॉम सेकंड कंडिशन हियर, फ्रॉम सेकंड कंडिशन, this condition is that if we subtract 6 means that the numerator and denominator are the reduced. If numerator and denominator are reduced by 6, then the numerator is reduced by the 6, then the original is numerator is x, so is x minus 6 and its denominator is now which is also reduced by the 6 means the denominator is y, means that y minus 6. Now then by using the second condition, this condition is that denominator becomes 12 times the numerator if both the numerator and denominator are reduced by the 6. Means that here by using the second condition, if we have to take the numerator becomes 12 times of its denominator. The denominator becomes 12 times of its numerator. It means that the denominator is, by using the second condition, here is the denominator, by reducing by 6 we get that the denominator is y minus 6. Then the denominator becomes 12 times the numerator. Numerator च्या 12 पट किती निघाला होता 6 ने मीन दॅट न्यूमरेटर इज x minus 6 त्याच्या 12 टाइम्स म्हणजे यू हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय इट बाय 12 ओके देन the equation becomes when we multiply it then y minus 6 is equals to 12x minus 12 6 are 72 then transpose this to this one side we get that minus 12x this plus y is equals to this is minus 72 and this minus 6 transpose here plus 6 then the sign is minus 12x plus y is equals to we have to subtract this one is okay then when we subtract the value becomes how much minus 66 then changing their sign we get that 12x minus y is equals to plus 66 suppose that this is equation number 3 then observe equation second and third if you have to subtract this second from this third then we get the value of one variable so I have to write here subtracting equation second from equation third म्हणजे तीनामधून दोन वजा करायचे third one is the 12x minus y is equals to 66 equation number third then second is 2x minus 5 is equals to minus 4 this is equation number second student when we subtract these then the signs of the second equations were changes mean that this minus here is plus and this convert as also plus then this plus y and this minus y get cancelled then what is remaining here now 12x minus this 2x becomes 10x is equals to we have to add this 4 we become 70 therefore x is equals to this 70 upon 10 therefore the value of x is equals to 10 7 are 70 now then we substitute this value in any another equation which is the simple one now so I have to substitute this value into equation number second so substituting x is equals to 7 in equation second. The equation second becomes 2x minus y is equals to minus 4. This is equation number second. Here is 2x minus y is equals to minus 4. Then we substitute the value of x is 7 here. 2 into 7 minus y is equals to minus 4. 7 to the 14. I have to take 14 minus y is equals to minus 4. 4 to this side and this y to this side. Then 14 plus 4 is equals to y. Means that 18 is equals to y. Therefore, value of y is equals to how much? 18. Now here, x is 7 and y is 18. We have to find out the original fraction. Means that from equation first, we have to find out the fraction. Therefore, I have to write it from equation first. The answer is the fraction is equals to x upon y. X upon y. So x is how much? 7 and y is 18. We cannot divide this number. So that our answer is that the fraction is 7 upon 18. Can you understand this? Very important example, students. Now then we take next question. Okay. The next question number 5. Two types of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck. A and B. दोन टाइपचे बॉक्स आहेत. ट्रक मध्ये लोड केले. Having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck. म्हणजे जेव्हा 150 बॉक्स A टाइपचे आणि 100 बॉक्स B टाइपचे जेव्हा लोड केले जातात तेव्हा त्या ट्रकची कॅपॅसिटी किती होते 10 टन्स होते. It weighs 10 tons but when 260 box म्हणजे जर 260 बॉक्सेस असते A टाइपचे आणि are loaded in the truck it can accommodate 40 boxes म्हणजे तेव्हा 40 बॉक्स कोणत्या टाइपचे लागतात so that it is fully loaded. म्हणजे तेव्हा पण त्याची कॅपॅसिटी फुल्ली लोडेड and the load at that truck is 10 tons म्हणजेच याची पण ॲडिशन किती येणार आहे 10 येणार. फाइंड द वेट ऑफ ईच टाइप ऑफ द बॉक्स. आधी आपल्याला प्रत्येक टाइपच्या बॉक्सचं वजन काढून घ्यायचं. मी इथे काय करूया आपण आधी या दोन्ही बॉक्सचं वजन आधी मारून घेऊया. लेट सोल्यूशन let the weight of box A, B, X ton and the weight of box B, B, Y ton. Now here is when 150 boxes of type A mean that therefore the weight of 150 box is equal to, therefore from first condition the weight of, so first write here from first condition the weight of 150 box, the weight of 150 box of A type A is equal to, here you have to multiply it by its weight of x tons, means that 150x. Then weight of the 100 boxes, the weight of 100 boxes of type, here is also yes, of type B is equals to 100 into y. This is the weight. Then by using this condition, with that first condition, we write the equation here. Now look here, the capacity of this is 10 tons and here 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of the type B are loaded in the truck. It weighs 10 tons. Mean that 150x plus 100y is equals to the capacity is how much? 10. Now we can divide it by 10. Dividing both side by 10. We get when we divide it, this become 50x plus 10y is equals to 1. Suppose that this is equation number 1. Then by using second condition, so here I have to write similarly by second condition. Now here I have to write similarly because here I cannot write again the weight of these boxes. I have to directly take this second condition. Now the second condition, when 260 boxes of A type, म्हणजे A type चे boxes आपण वजन घेतले x टन म्हणून याचे 260 म्हणजे काय होते x हे त्याचं वजन झालं. So that 260x now are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes. म्हणजे अजून त्याला 40 बॉक्सची आवश्यकता आहे, तेव्हा त्याचं वजन 10 होणार आहे. म्हणजे 40 बॉक्सेस हे कोणत्या टाइपचे? बी टाइपचे. म्हणजे 40y. At that time the weight of that truck is 10 tons. Now then we can again dividing both side by 10. Dividing both side by 10, we get this value becomes 26x plus 4y is equals to 1. This is equation number 2. Now then observe equation first and second. Now we can multiply this to any number, then we can subtract or adding these two equations here. Now first I have to multiply it by this equation by 4 and this equation by 10. We get that. Here I have to multiply equation first by 4. We get the equation multiplied by 4. We get that 15 4s are 60x plus 10 4s are 40y is equals to how much? 4. Suppose that this is equation number 3rd. Then we multiply this by 10. Therefore, multiply equation second by 10 we get. म्हणजे असे ठेवलं असतं की चाललं असतं ते. ठीक आहे चला. Now when we multiply it, it becomes to 60x plus 40y is equals to 10. This is equation number, suppose that 4. Now we can subtract these 3 from these 4. So I will write here subtracting equation 3rd from equation 4. Okay, then I will write first equation is 4. Mean that 260x plus 40y is equals to 10. Equation number 4. Then we write the equation number 3rd. Mean that 60x plus 40y is equals to 4. This is equation number 3rd. Student, when we subtract here, then the signs of second equations were changes. So this plus convert as minus. This plus is also convert as minus, and this plus is also convert as minus. At that time, 40y get cancelled. The subtraction becomes these two is 200x is equals to this one is 6. Then we have to divide this 6 by this 200, so that the value of x is equals to 6 upon 200. We can simplify by using this by 2, so that we write here, therefore x is equals to 2 3s are 6 to 100. Therefore the value of x is equals to 3 upon 100. That is, we also write here 0.03 tons. Okay, now then we take the next. We have to substitute this value in any one equation. We get the remaining value. Now, in which equation it is simple? You have to put this equation in first or equation in second. Now, I have to substitute this value in equation number first. So, we get substituting x is equals to 3 upon 100 in equation first we have. Now the equation first is 15x plus 10y is equals to 1. This is equation number first. I have to put the value of x is 3 upon 100. In that 15 into 3 upon 100 plus 10y is equals to 1. Then 15 3s are 45 upon 100 plus 10y is equals to 1. Then transpose to this another side, we get that 10y is equals to 1 minus 45 upon 100. Can you understand this? This is the fraction. Plus transpose to this another side, convert as minus. Then 10y is equals to, I have to find out its LCM is 100. Then multiply this 100 to this one, means that 100 and 1 denominator 1 by 45 means 45. Then this subtraction becomes 10y is equals to, subtraction is 55 upon how much? 100. Now again this 10 goes to denominator, so that y is equals to 55 upon 100 into this 10. Mean that the value of y is equals to 55 upon 1000. When we divide it by 1000, we get that 0.055 tons. Now this is the weight of the box y and this is the weight of boxes x. Now I have to write the answer in full sentence. Now here is find the weight of each type of the box, so that answer I have to write here. Answer. The weight of boxes A is 3A is x is equals to 3 upon 100, that is 0.03 tons, and the weight of 55 upon 1000, that is 0.055 tons. This is the weight of the boxes in ton. Can you understand this? So simple but lengthy example. Now we can take proper equations and then we have to solve. We get the answers of the weight of the boxes. Okay, thank you very much. Now we take the last example of this practice set 1.5. Now the question is, out of 1900 kilometer, Vishal traveled some distance by bus. विशाल ने काही अंतर बस ने ट्रॅव्हल केलं. some distance by aeroplane. एरोप्लेन म्हणजे प्लेन ने काही डिस्टन्स ट्रॅव्हल केलं. bus travels with average speed is 60 km per hour. बस चं स्पीड होतं 60 km per तास म्हणजे प्रत्येकी तासाला. and the average speed of the aeroplane is 700 km per hour. विमानाचा वेग होता 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. तेव्हा त्याला 5 तास लागतात जर्नी कंप्लीट करायला. Find the distance Vishal travel by the bus. फक्त इथे आपल्याला बसने विशालने किती अंतर ट्रॅव्हल केलं एवढंच करायचं. मग here we have to take its solution. Let the distance travel by bus be x kilometer and the distance travel by aeroplane, or you have to write only plane, b y kilometer. Student, all of you know that the formula, the time is equals to, we know that the time is equals to distance upon speed. Now we use this formula to solve the examples. Now here we shall travel by the bus. Now time taken by Vishal while traveling by the bus is, we have to write here. So here by using this time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus is equals to. Now student, here is the speed of the bus is 60 km. Now so that the distance of the bus is x, so this time is equals to, distance is x kilometer and the speed of that time is 60 km per hour. Kilometer get cancelled, so that here x by 60 hours. This is the time taken by Vishal while traveling by the bus. Now also we can find out the time taken by Vishal. Now the time taken by Vishal while traveling the plane, is, now here the time, the distance is, by using this plane travel is y kilometer, is equals to y upon. Now at that time the speed of that plane is 700 km per hour, means that 700. Now kilometer get cancelled, so that this is the y upon 700 hours. Now student, then by using the given conditions, so first I will write from first condition. Now the total journey is 1900 km. So that this is the distance between travel by the x and the plane. So the first condition is that x plus y is equals to 1900. This is our equation number first. Then we observe here, then the equation second is that, mean that from second condition. Okay, second condition is now by using the speed 60 km and by using the speed 700 km per hour, it takes 5 hours. This is the second condition, mean that the distance travel by this is 60 km per hour speed. So the time for this is time taken by Vishal while traveling bus is x upon 60 and the time by the plane is y upon 700. So that plus y upon 700 is equals to, the time takes how much hours? 5 hours. So is equals to 5. Suppose that is equation number second. Now student, we have to remove these denominators 60 and 700. For this, find out its LCM of this 60 and 700. Then now the LCM of 60 and 700 is, now first find out LCM. LCM of 60 and 700 is, I have to take here LCM is 2100. Now then we multiply this 2100 to this second equation. So I have to write here multiply equation second by 2100. Now this step is, I have to write here x upon 60 into 2100 plus y upon 700 into 2100 is equals to 5 into 2100. Now here is 0 0 get cancel. Then we can simplify by using 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Then carry is 3. Then it becomes 30. Then 6 5s are 30. Then here also we can simplify these two 0 get cancel. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are. Okay. Then the equation is 35x plus 3y is equals to 5 into this 2100 is 0, 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, means that 10,500. Suppose that this is equation number 3. Now then observe equation first and third. If you multiply this equation first by 3, then we get. So here I have to write multiply equation first by 3, we get. I have to directly multiply. When we multiply by 3, then it becomes 3x plus then 3y is equals to 19 3s are 57 and these two 0 0 as it is. Suppose that this is equation number 4. Okay, then we solve the equation number 3 and 4. Now we subtract these 4 from the equation number 3. We get, therefore subtracting equation 4 from equation 3. We have the equation 3 is 35x plus 3y is equals to 10,500. This is equation number 3. And the equation number 4 is 3x plus 3y is equals to 5,700. This is equation number 4. Now when we subtract it, then the value of the second equation where changes. This minus, so that this is minus, this is also minus, this is also minus. Then this 3y get cancel. Then what is the subtraction? Now 35 minus 3 becomes 32x. Here is plus because 35 having plus sign. Then we subtract this 10,500 becomes 8. Then here is remaining 9. 9 minus 5 becomes how much? 4. Means that 4,800. Now then this 32 transposed to this another side, we get that x is equals to 4,800 upon 32. We can simplify by using this directly by 32 also, or we can simplify by using 16 also. 16 1 the 16, 16 2s are 32. 16 3s are 48. These 0 0 as it is. Again we can simplify by using these two. Then 2 1s are 2, and here 150. So that the value of x is equals to 150. Now student, here is we have to find only the distance we shall travel by bus, so that this distance is denoted by using this x. So we have to only find the value of the x. Therefore the answer in full sentence is that answer. The distance travel by the bus is 150 kilometer. Now, therefore the answer of this question is the distance traveled by the bus is 150 kilometer. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हे झाले आपले प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.5 मधील एक्झाम्पल्स. व्हिडिओ जर आवडला असेल तर नक्कीच सबस्क्राइब करा.